on today's episode of What the Farm. I have been traveling for work in my garden. She is a messy queen. So we're out here weeding. Got corns growing and some watermelon that should be coming up soon. So many weeds to go through. Any tips on how to weed this better would be great. Because right now I'm just rooting through mess. It's like a swamp here. We had a hurricane that messed us up pretty hard. It's just kind of silty and gross. What is that? There's metal in here. Shut up. Oh, y'all. What? What year is that? I just found a silver dollar. Excuse me, I'm not allergic to money. A 1954 silver dollar while weeding my corn. What? I was just trying to get some tips on how to stay on top of this. Holy crap. Oh, I am not allergic to money. This is awesome. My day is made. I'm not rich, but that was cool. Happy Wednesday.